What are you doing? Thumbs up? Are you gonna go with Daddy to go shopping? You're going to Walmart?
Yeah.
Are you gonna go fishing tomorrow? Can I see how long your hair is? Can you show me how pretty it is? Oh my goodness. That's beautiful. Can you strike a pose? Strike a pose for me. Oh, those are some good poses. How do you pose like this with your hands on your hips? Is that how you do it? How do you do the hillbilly stomp? How you shake your booty? Oh my goodness. How you spin in a circle? Spin in a circle. Oh! How old are you? You're not 3, you're 2.
No, Daddy. I am 3. I can 3. No, I am 3. I'm 3. I'm 3. No, I'm 3. I'm 3. No, I'm 3.
Stop, you two. Lizzie, stop it. Maverick, stop it. Both of you. Come here. Maverick, sit back down. You're just antagonizing.
Here.
Hey,
Why did you ask that?
where's Mommy's new baby? Are you going to be a big sister?
No.
No.
I did the baby.
You're just a baby.
It's with eyes. With eyes.
Can you say hi, Nana? Hi, Gigi.
Hi, Didi.
Say hi, Nana.
Hi, Nana.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Say I miss you.
I miss you.
Say see you soon, baboon. Don't pull on that. Don't pull on that. Stink.
What is her color, Stink? You can't give me Daddy.
What are you guys doing?
Doing this. Mom, brush.
I'm watching. Watch yourself. There's a chair right here.
Yeah.
For Maverick. He's crazy. You sit up, Liz.
I'll do this. I'll do this. Can you do this? Do this. I'm sure you already know.
Careful, it's gonna hurt your butt.
I know.
You two are silly.
I thank you. I bet you can't do this.
Pull him, Liz. Pull him. You're hardcore, Liz.